Hello, share ko paano mag-reload sa PLDT prepaid fiber. So, punta kayo sa account, then mag-login kayo sa pldt.com, and then once sa account nyo na is i-click nyo yung manage. Tapos, after manage is mag-prompt na yung mga menu regarding about the option. So, buy top ups, and then ito na yung mga prices or low denominations. May 50, 199, 399. So for 30 days it is a 699. So this just select the 30 days for example, and then just click that buy now button, and another menu will pop up. Just hit continue and then hit check out, and ito na time is may mga for security measure, may isend na pin or OTP sa phone. So doon nyo lang kunin, tapos i-input lang yung number na send sa cellphone nyo, and just hit submit. And this time na-confirm na yung orders. So click lang yung pay with sa baba ng 699, and then click QRPH. Then ito na yung QR code na pwede kayo i-scan sa Maya or GCash.